Hi, how you doing? Welcome to this video. I'm very excited today because I can finally give you my honest review on the Ordinary Peeling Solution. Now, I have pretty much thoroughly used up this bottle. I think I used it for about 6 months or at least more than 6 months. Personally, I have sensitive skin. In today's video, I will explain how I find this peeling solution on my sensitive skin and what are the effects. Do I recommend this to people with sensitive skin? If you want to know everything about this peeling solution on sensitive skin, make sure you keep on watching. So let's get started. My name is Lee. I created this YouTube channel to share my tips and tricks and also giving you my honest review on some of the skincare products that I've used it and tested. Everything is based on my honest opinion, so if you wanted to know, feel free to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new video. For this peeling solution, the first thing that caught my eyes was the percentage it listed on the product. Before Ordinary was launched, there aren't a lot of skincare brands that would clearly list out how many percentage of particular ingredients that they have added into a skincare product. So not until the Ordinary came along, they started listing the percentage that I start seeing other brands are following that trend. Let's first of all look at the ingredients in this bottle. So as you can tell, it has 30% of AHA as well as 2% BHA. Now, if you're not familiar with AHA or BHA, it's actually an abbreviation for alpha hydroxy acid. BHA stands for beta hydroxy acid. Now, you don't need to know what they stand for, you just need to know why you will need these ingredients as exfoliant. So AHA is a type of acids that could get rid of the dead skin cell on top of your skin. Types of AHA would include glycolic acid, lactic acid, mandelic acid, malic acid. As for BHA, beta hydroxy acids would be salicylic acid. Salicylic acid, it can actually go deep into your pores, get rid of the oil or sebum that got stuck in your pores. So if you have blackheads or whiteheads, BHA would be fantastic to use to remove or clear out your clogged pores. What's great about this product is that it contains 2 of these ingredients which works hand in hand, basically to help smooth out your skin, to remove the dead skin cell as well as clearing some of the clogged pores. That's why I was immediately attracted to this bottle. A lot of over-the-counter products are, I would say, below 10% AHA. This product has 30%, which is very high. And so you really have to be very careful to use it, especially for people who have sensitive skin like me. I kind of needed to ease into this product after my rosacea so that I can use it on my sensitive skin. I will explain a bit more how I ease into it and what are my thoughts and effects on my skin later on in this video. There are a lot of good ingredients in this bottle. So the first ingredient is the glycolic acid. So the AHA that they use in this bottle is glycolic acid. It also has the 2% salicylic acid. If you want it to be effective on clearing your pores, it will need to be at 2%. If anything lower, it could mildly help get rid of the acne or the sebum that get clogged in your pores. You can find some of the cleansers within the market that contains around 0.5% of salicylic acid, like Neutrogena Acne Wash. And also there's another cleanser that I have reviewed from Cosrx that is fantastic cleanser for getting rid of acne. It also contains lactic acid. It is also a type of AHA. It also contains 2 other types of acids. It also contains panthenol, also contains sodium hyaluronic cross polymer, and also glycerin. These 3 ingredients are actually moisturizing agents. Not only this product helps to exfoliate your skin, it also gives you some moisture or hydration to your skin. The overall formulation of this product is very clean as in like doesn't have a bunch of nonsense in it. It's alcohol free, it's fragrance free, and essential oils free. And this is important for people who have sensitive skin. You want to eliminate any potential irritant that could cause your sensitivity on your skin. Now you're gonna ask, if I have sensitive skin, how can I use this bottle? Another downfall with this peeling solution for people who have sensitive skin like myself is that it could be very irritating to use a high percentage of AHA on your skin and with quite low pH value at around 3.6. Here's how I use on my sensitive skin. First of all, you need to be very careful with how long you put it on your skin. When I first used it, it was stinging. I needed to just test it out on parts of my skin instead of using that on my whole face. I only use it for like 5 minutes. The bottle actually says you can put it on for 10 minutes. If you have sensitive skin and you really wanted to give this product a try, use it only for like half of the time, like me, 5 minutes, and only test it out on the parts of your skin instead of the whole face. And at the same time, I know my skin sensitivity comes from my weak skin barrier. For me to take the full advantage of any kind of chemical exfoliant, it's not just from the Ordinary, any kind of chemical exfoliant, I needed to rebuild my skin barrier so that it's able to protect my skin against any kind of skin problems. To help me to be able to rebuild my skin barrier, I used another product which I've talked about in another video, which is from the Mousse skincare line, the epidermal repair serum. I couldn't stress enough how amazing this serum is. This is actually my 3rd bottle now. It really helped repair my skin barrier, and of course a skincare that is alcohol free, fragrance free, and essential oil free, because I want to get rid of any kind of potential irritant that could cause my skin sensitivity. Even up to today, I stick to that mentality because I don't want to trigger my skin. And also another product that I have used to repair my skin barrier is from this brand. Now I know this might not be readily available anywhere else, but essentially you look for products that contains ceramides or fatty acids. This is a barrier repair serum. It's slightly a bit oily-ish, very silky, very lightweight kind of oil. It is meant to repair your skin barrier so that it can retain its moisture on your skin. If you couldn't find this bottle, it's fine. There are other brands that does as barrier repair products. Like there's another one from SkinCeutical, and also there's another product from Crave Beauty. They have a barrier relief or something. So that one is also has the ingredients that could repair your skin barrier, and only use it once a week. Sometimes if my skin is not ready, which I can feel, I would use it once every 2 weeks and then gradually increase the frequency to once every week. And then now I can actually use it up to 2 times a week, and I can put it on for the full 10 minutes. So let's talk about the effects of this bottle. When I first applied it, as I said, it was slightly stinging, but the stinging kind of go away after a few minutes. Right after I have applied this, oh my god, my skin was like very silky smooth, like it's really smooth, and it was very shiny. That kind of shiny is coming from the hydration from this bottle. And when I look closer to around my nose area, I can see that the pores are clearer. I wouldn't say that it has completely removed all my blackheads, but it can definitely help clear some of the clogged pores. It can mildly help get rid of some of the acne that are about to erupt, and overall I really enjoy the effects of this product. But I know some of you really cannot tolerate glycolic acid. You can use other types of HA to have the chemical exfoliants such as lactic acid, mandelic acid, malic acids, or if you have really sensitive skin, try using PHA. Products that I see that contains these HA. The Ordinary has one, the lactic acid toner. It also has glycolic acid solution at 7%. Another alternative is from Dr. Sibaj. I don't know how to read that name. This is a mask. It's not like a leave-on product that could potentially irritate your skin, because the longer you put the product on your skin, the higher the chance your skin would react. If you have really sensitive skin, try to go for mask type of products, or go for milder version or low percentage products. This deep exfoliating mask contains lactic acid, contains azelaic acid. Azelaic acid is fantastic when people have rosacea. However, this mask also contains perfume and colorants. If you have really sensitive skin, maybe stay away from that. But otherwise, I'm not too concerned, because again, this is a wash-off product. Now, I know this product is really hyped up on TikTok and pretty much everywhere in social media. If you have really sensitive skin, you need to be very careful with what kind of product you use on your skin. Sometimes it works for other people, doesn't mean that it would work for you. I personally need to ease my skin into this product so that I can benefit from the effect of this. Otherwise, there are a lot of other brands out there doing chemical exfoliant. I have more video on how you can take care of your skin and also other products review. You can check them out at the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed what I've shared today. If you like this video, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, share this with your friends, leave a comment down below what do you think of this product, subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new video. I will see you in my next one. Bye!